All right, so we do have a SmartJack going here. Basically to support this main beam right here, just because it's dipping here. You're starting to get some settling upstairs, and they're starting to see dips in the floor. So our system is just gonna stabilize everything all the way down this way. This area is their laundry room. They have moisture damage here on the main beam. You can see how the main beam's dipping right after the piers. So we're putting jacks right there in the middle to pick up on that area to stabilize it as well. We're also putting a power brace here because they have a kitchen right here. You can see how it's dipping. The piers are settling, and our jacks are gonna support that, so we don't have to worry about that.